अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरा नाम डॉक्टर फरहान है being the primary candidate for the case number 4 I would like to start with the greetings introduce myself and take the consent. I will start with the inspection initially with the torch then with the magnifying glass to see the lesion site extent types of the block and the scaling etc. Then I will start with the palpation and will check the tenderness, temperature gradient, induration of the plaque, type of the plaque, scaling, and ask for the permission of the Auspitz sign. Will examine the joints of the toe. I can see partial type of the sausage swelling of the second toe finger. So I would examine the whole of the joints of the two fingers and look for the tenderness, movements, by passive movements, look for the deformity. I will also examine the web spaces. Will check out the rest of the joints of the two fingers. Will examine the soles and will proceed towards the hand examination for the cutaneous purpose, and also examine the joints and the examine the nails of the two fingers and the hand fingers both for the nail plate and the nail bed, both type of the pathologies, and will examine the scalp and the rest of the body because psoriasis हो या कोई और erythroderma हो तो उसमें ये सारी चीज़ें इन्वॉल्व हो सकती हैं. Will examine the oral mucosa. I will take the permission for the genital examination. As far as proceeding is concerned, I will also examine the spines, take permission for the musculoskeletal system, क्योंकि erythroderma है और psoriasis है तो I will also examine the CVS system and the abdominal examination will also be done. My differentials includes psoriasis, impending erythroderma secondary to the psoriasis, eczema, drugs, lichenite type of psoriasis. Thank you.
Candidate for the case number 4. Thank you for the command, madam. A gentleman sitting comfortably over the examination couch and remain cooperative throughout the examination. On cutaneous examination of the both legs, there is diffuse erythema with white colored loosely adherent scales present distributed present over the both legs, distributed from both of the knees up to the dorsal aspect of the both feet. There are areas of sparing randomly present more markedly over the posterior aspect of the left leg, as well as dorsa of the both feet and the dorsa of the all toes. There are crusted papules present over the on the both knees, and an ill-defined scaly crusted plaque of variable size and shape present in middle part of the right leg. The skin is non-tender and having no temperature gradient. The skin markings are more prominent over the both knees as well as over the both ankle joint. The skin appears to be shiny, and the surrounding the hair are the distribution of the hair is normal. The toe nails are showing yellowish discoloration, as well as they are appearing thickened, and the toenail of the right big toe showing mild subungual hyperkeratosis. However, I cannot appreciate the similar changes in other toenails. On the basis of my cutaneous examination, my first differential is resolving psoriasis, second is allergic contact dermatitis, and the third differential is impending erythroderma due to psoriasis depending upon the cutaneous examination of rest of the body. Thank you.